In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Notebook LM app. We're going to walk through the basic process of getting started so you can quickly create a notebook, upload your material, and begin asking questions about it. If you're new to Notebook LM, think of it as a tool that helps you work with your documents in a more interactive way. Instead of manually searching through notes or files, you can upload your content and let the app help you find answers and explore ideas faster. To begin, go to Notebook LM in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main screen where you can start a new workspace. This is the place where all of your notebooks will live. So if it's your first time using it, the layout should feel pretty simple and clean. From there, click on Create New. This opens a fresh notebook where you can add the sources you want Notebook LM to work with. A notebook is essentially your project space, and it keeps your uploaded materials organized in one place. This is helpful if you plan to use the app for different topics, classes, research projects, or work tasks. Next, click on Upload. This is the option that lets you start bringing your content into the notebook. At this stage, Notebook LM is waiting for the material it will use to generate responses, summaries, and insights. So before moving forward, it helps to have your files ready and easy to find on your device. Now click on Upload Files. This will open your file picker so you can choose the documents you want to add. Select the file or files you need and give the upload a moment to finish. Depending on the size and number of files, this may take a little time. It's a good idea to make sure your documents are clearly named so you can recognize them easily once they appear inside the notebook. Once the files are uploaded, Notebook LM will process the content. After that, you'll have your answer interface ready, and you can also ask follow-up questions. This is where the tool becomes especially useful. You can ask it to explain information from your uploaded files, summarize key points, or help you dig deeper into the material. If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, just refine your question and continue the conversation. That's the basic workflow for using Google Notebook LM. Open the site, create a new notebook, upload your files, and start asking questions. As a tip, the better your source material and questions are, the better your results will usually be.